yo. Step on the block with the pause in time. Gold on my neck and a hunger in mind. Fish in the bowl, that's mine, I'm divine. Cream on the rim of the glass, that's fine.
Got a whisker full of swagger when I bat my last. Snap up a salmon like a lightning.
He walks with us in the valley and on the mountaintop. He never leaves nor forsakes us. And for that we give him praise.
Why'd you choose this message this week?
Honestly, she's been on my mind a lot lately. There ain't much to it.
I thought he was meeting up with friends. Turns out he was checking into a motel to hang out with sheep.
Some folks go to the gym. I spend time with sheep. It's the only thing that quiets my head.
3 nights a week, Matt sneaks off to a budget motel where he...
No way! Legendary.
I wanted to interrupt your normal broadcast to remind you to please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my favorite channel, Psychoactive Studios. Now back to the show.
I'm on a beaver! I'm on a beaver! I'm on a beaver! I'm on a beaver! Oh my gosh! I'm on a beaver! Whoa! Oh my god, look at this!
You gotta polish that knob. 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 You gotta polish that knob.
Afternoon, sir. You know how fast you were going back there? Yeah, well, radar had you at 38 and a 20. That's way over. I just need your license. Hey, listen. Whoa, don't, hey!
Do you want to build a slop man? It doesn't have to be perfect or even make sense. It's kind of beautiful.
Yo, you really running the register? Alright, just a combo. Here's a 5.
This is wild.
Thanks, yeah, appreciate it.
Hang on, little guy. Got you.
Yo! What the? That's a cat! That's a cat driving a Jeep! Hey, little buddy! Oh my god, he's wearing a crown! You're killing me, dude! Where you headed? Alright, drive safe, King!
Good evening. After years of speculation, the Jeffrey Epstein case files were released today in their entirety. And guess what? Your mom is in them.
Hey! Holy God! Move!
Oh my god! Table!
Table! Holy!
The tent! The tent!
Back up! It's getting Just let it go, let it go.
Poop on everything. I poop on everything. I poop on everything. I poop on everything.
Let's go build stuff. I'm driving. Tight, tight. There. Hold steady. Down a bit.